just got done on night shift. I did. I'm exhausted. 6:12, 12 and a half, so you can do the math. I am exhausted, but ain't gonna stop us from doing race car stuff. At least until I pass out at the shop. We're gonna be working on the front. We're gonna do 4-link brackets at the front, kind of like what I mentioned in the last video, and see what other else shenanigans we can get into before I pass out sleeping. Here we go. GoPro died, and obviously I still only have one battery. So I forgot where we left off. Probably where I was grinding at. And then it just got towards the end of the day. I got towards the end of the day and GoPro died, so I didn't videotape anything. So I still got to paint and fix something. John just finished up welding new brackets. Oh yeah, I got that on video where we're mounting them up. I got control arms made, and obviously I gotta change that bolt. I gotta get new hardware. I gotta get new hardware for everything. It's got shocks mounted up. Still gotta grind some of the welds, and we're gonna go over it, make it look good. Got shock tabs made. I don't got a video of us doing that because obviously the GoPro died, and we haven't been videotaping very much because I've been fucking working. And I was up for like fucking literally like 25 hours yesterday because I was on night shift. That was cool. kind of got to edit it all together. It's kind of a trick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking to myself. I'm sure John is gonna laugh at me. We are going to work on our track bar. I was just watching one of Turbo Tom's videos, and he did the same thing. He said he had to cut a 1/2 inch out of his that he made previously before he did this. So instead of making a whole new one, I might save those parts, and hopefully this one works. So hopefully it works. If not, we'll make a new one. That doesn't give us a whole lot. We'll have to like go down like at an angle.
No, that's the reason I say that. You're not looking.
Sure might be able to fucking make the other one longer and go right to the axle tube. And it's right behind the pan. I'm not ever gonna worry about it.
Go for it. You have to go under. Then his goes.
Yeah, his goes. No, his goes right here, right above the bolt.
That's where I would do.
Okay.
Well, because what we need to do right now is go all the way back down, put the weight of the motor back on it, and then you need to check your clearance. That's gonna be my problem. He goes this side. I thought he went from this way though.
We can. We'll just see if it.
Well, you're really not looking at it correctly. The motor is offset this way.
Oh yeah, that's why he went that way.
So you go this way.
Yeah, and it
you
clears
miss
the oil pan. Okay, we'll do that then.
But that's why I'm thinking.